All right, time for a quick Jeep update. This is Jeep Update 30, and I can't believe that I've made 30 videos about this Jeep, but honestly, I really enjoy documenting the journey with this Jeep. It's been a lot of fun. So Jeep Update 30 is going to be a quick update just to update everybody on two decisions that have been made. And one is that I did decide to go with the BDS suspension, and two, I decided to have a shop install the suspension kit for me. So it's a pretty tough decision to have to pay a shop to do this, as you know, I like to do everything I can in my Jeep myself. But the compelling factor, I think, was just ensuring that all my driveline angles were correct, and I'm not going to have any problems with that down the road, and not going to get any of that death wobble that so many lifted Jeeps do get. So one of the things that the BDS kit offers is a rear add-a-leaf, and I know that adding a leaf like that will make your suspension a little bit stiffer, but I'm just not a big fan of you see the lifted vehicles where the front ends are higher or they sit level, and I like kind of that factory rake that you get with the rear end up a little bit. So shouldn't make that much of a difference, but I did go ahead and order the rear add-a-leaf as well. So according to BDS, there's two situations where you'd want to consider the add-a-leaf, and one is if you had a scrambler, which I wish I had a scrambler, but I don't, at least not yet. Maybe that's in the future. And then number two, if you're going to have a 35-inch or larger tire hanging on your rear tire carrier. These are 33-inch tires, but with this lift, I may be able to go to 35s down the road. So probably hopefully a good idea to put that in now, and hopefully I won't regret that. So one of the things that I want to make sure I do that I forgot to do when I did my body mounts is I want to take some before and after measurements. So I want to get some good before measurements because I'm pretty confident that I'm going to gain some height from this lift, and I want to know what that number is. So all my parts have been ordered, and they should be in this week, and then I have an appointment in about a week and a half to get the actual lift installed. The next Jeep update will come out in a couple of weeks, and it'll be the complete review and overview of the BDS suspension. So stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching.